Now, kanina na-mention ko, you can approach a trust company. So let's talk about that. How does that work?
Okay, so what happens is the company approaches a trust company, which is usually may mga standalone na trust company. For example, in Sun Life, we have our recently launched Sun Life Investment Management and Trust Company, Slim TC. So that's a standalone trust company, or may mga trust companies na associated na rin with certain banks. So if you approach a bank and then you look for a retirement pay, i-refer nila kayo dun sa trust company or department nila. So that's how you go about it if you want to course it through a trust. But of course, coursing it through a trust, sometimes ang mga hurdle dito ng mga employers is merong minimum na amount. And minsan pwedeng malaki yung minimum na amount na yon in order for you to participate. Kasi ang mga trust companies, they have a wide array of products that they can offer to you. But of course, it can also come with a hefty cost. Yan. So one way of going about it is through a trust company.
Yan. And also when you talk about the cost, it is the professional fee that comes with that.
That's correct. Let me share nga, Ms. Janet, na may one time na we referred a company to our trust company. They're looking to solve their retirement problem. But turns out na kasi syempre may fees nga. So sa laki ng fee na kailangan i-charge ng trust company in order to maintain the investment for them, sabi ng trust company, parang it doesn't make sense na for your company to pay this much, and maybe the investment or maybe the company might not be able to keep up with the charges. So may mga ganong conversation din ang nangyari na of course if it's not good for you, the trust company will say na it doesn't make sense for you. Of course, we're always after the best interest of our clients.